Here's your 2-minute teaching tip. Hi, I'm Scott Phillips from UAB Center for Teaching and Learning, and today's teaching tip is how to motivate students in our classes. Start that 2 minutes now. Today's tip comes from our workshop, Motivating Students to Learn, which is offered every fall here at the UAB Center for Teaching and Learning. When teaching at the university level, it's important to know how to motivate students to participate in the learning process. There are several theories of motivation. All of these theories can kind of be boiled down into two areas, either intrinsic or extrinsic motivators. Grades are extrinsic motivators. When we grade students on their progress in a certain course, they can receive a reward with a positive grade if they do well, or a punishment in terms of a negative grade when they do poorly. But it turns out that not everything we want our students to know and be able to do can be best motivated through extrinsic means, such as grades. For certain tasks, intrinsic means of motivation, such as giving students autonomy, helping them understand mastery of a subject, or giving them purpose to their learning, can actually be highly motivating. Teachers who leverage the elements of autonomy, mastery, and purpose can often motivate students to perform at levels much higher than through just extrinsic means like grades. An example of incorporating autonomy into an assignment is allowing students to select from a group of possible assignments to demonstrate their learning. Incorporating mastery in the learning process might include things like retaking quizzes, retaking tests, or redoing assignments until they've achieved the level of success that you want. Also, it's highly motivating to help students understand the purpose behind an assignment. Explain to them why you're giving this assignment, what it is that they're learning from this, and how they'll use this knowledge or skill in their future career. Incorporating intrinsic elements such as autonomy, mastery, and purpose can be a great way to motivate students to participate in the learning process. I'm Scott Phillips, and this has been your 2-minute teaching tip.